Yeah, Southland gangsters in full effect, just to keep your ass in check. That's right, with smoke from LAC. Oh yeah, into that one bitch. You know who you are. Ha ha ha. See you around, buddy boy.
Lowrider collide on these city streets where Southland gangsters roam and creep. We never sleep, always on a mission to get laid. Gotta get up early in the morning, time to get paid. Mind on my money, ambitions of an assassin will get you far in life. My advice, so pay the price. Enemies down to the pavement. LAC Southland Gang Entertainment. Make the money in every direction. If you cross the line, you're in our intersection, so get smashed down when we collide. We're about 50 homies deep, down for the ride. Mr. Steve's full Serrano collaboration, and our cars roll deep like the Brown United Nations. We move drugs like we move CDs. Brown known independent with money overseas. Big smoke Serrano, so come and take a toke. Hope your lungs are big enough, so don't choke. We're about 55 deep when we roll in the shows. Fast money, fast hoes, rolling in 64s. Latin thugs on a mission, and we're down to rap. Big smoke from Mr. D, are from the south side of California, where we roll deep. Brown known independent, never known the meaning of defeat. We're about 55 deep, Southland and LAC, on a mission to make that money, so real G.
I bring heat to the mic every time I spit. Infamous click hitting licks, bullet moves, rubber grips, hollow tips, 45s and Teflon. Automatic bring static, come and get some. You don't wanna step back, attack all my foes. Enemies get dealt with so the venomous hoes, trying to stop my cash flow, annihilate us. I told the stainless for player haters, and God who trust, living life plush relaxing, with a pocket full of Benjis, Grants and Jacksons, taxing all hoes, making busters pay tolls. And if they refuse, I freeze them like the North Pole.
I'm up early in the morning to hustle my shit. See they flop and flip and they still can't quit. 55 feet from the wire to low. Sleepy model Mr. D, little crook and smoke. LAC's in Southland, zap to gap bang. Got the homies at the pad come to shake my hand. They say they love the same streets and how I'm throwing them up. Off beat, always deep with the heat in the trunk.
Southland and LAC, out to get that money. Southland gangsters records, it's all the same. Now let's say, don't try to gain fame off our good name. Been real before we enter this game. Give me one warning, then I'll be up early in the morning on a hunt for a punk. Get your ass jumped by this Southland gang. Fuck them no pro lanes, them lops can't hang. Ain't one of them fools ever bang. Get down pussy, big fat wussy. Southland gangsters roll deep, well those fools stay cheap. That's right, fuck them fools.
You see I'm macking, I'm stacking, I got that game in one hand. I'm busting clips and attacking that GTG, and I'm jacking up 50 steps and I'm stepping. A homie tripping, I'm dipping, I'm feeling high to the sky. A chronic smoke in my eye, I'm fully clipping, no lie. I got the scope in one eye, I got the bullet in the chamber, stepping with anger. The homies ready, we're going, you see we book 'em, slap 'em. Fuck a low pros, watch this crazy sniper step blow.
This is for the homies, fuck them hoes. To all the riders hitting switches in the lows, all the SS keeping it real. Fuck a Mexican with my ate appeal. Is the infamous, oh shit, not again. Tuck your chains when the crowd steps in. I'm not no rapper, also called MC. Fuck hip hop, I'm the real Spanky. I keep you with drug dealers, gangsters, and motherfucking killers, and oh boy, that's for real. But there's another one I gotta get off my chest. You need to stick around and listen to this. Don't get pissed, you ain't shit, but you're always acting tough and you fucking jokester. I'ma call you bluffing. I was talking at the side of your neck. Fool, you need to learn respect and shut the fuck up with your fake politics. Besides, why you wanna talk shit with Southlands, who you wanna kick it with?
Soy ese frost from a BF gang, sería vaca, throwing out the beat from the belly to the E.
For the riders, for the southsiders, the ones who divide the fucking police when they find us. Rolling deep through your street, don't give a fuck if you're bringing heat. Close your windows, lock your doors, cause it's Sancho who you meet, bitch. Make me rich with those big ass tits, but do something with this it, cause I don't like all of it. Ain't in a trick, these bitches love sucking this dick. I stick it in the ass and penetrate the click. Bitches when it comes to delicious pussy, all these bitches wanna fucking do me. Haters always out to try to fool me, but then again they did nothing to me. Ooh, this is the CeeLo bringing the heat, putting your ass down like a tree. Cause enemigas wanna see all of the drama that I be. Ese, stop fucking around, ese. Stopping you on the ground, putting it down.
Do this for the riders, riders, you know. For the low profilers, riders, you know. For the low profilers, riders, you know. For the low profilers, riders, you know. For the low profilers.
Thug down, ball hand, silencer, screaming up out of the coffin once again, so fucking friend, is it? You see the streets of California, there's no fucking
fucking around. When you see me come around, you better stay in your town. This is it, homie. I put it down from San Diego. All the homies got it 40 and I got the bow and arrow. On the 6'2", cruise the avenue. All the bitches on my name when I'm on the avenue. What's up now? Can you see I'm in the mix with the fine hyena, with the big old tits? This is life and it's D and this is how it goes. All the highness when I see the silencer at car shows. 619 is the place to be. Making money all day and I kick it with my G's. Smoke them every day to relax my mind, and I reminisce of the crazy times.
For the riders, you know. For the low profilers, riders, you know. For the low profilers, riders, you know. For the low profilers, riders, you know. For the low profilers,
This maniac on the track, we got leave on dubs. We on hit with a clip, give a fuck who shows love. Cause I'm rolling down the motherfucking block, dodging the haters, cock blockers and the cops. And a vato like me's gonna show no remorse. When I grab this microphone, a pistol grip and fuck a horse. I ain't tripping off a bitch, they ain't tripping off me. I just do what I gotta do, make music for the streets. Keeping it gangster all the time, with a sick-minded mentality and a rhyme with a pen and a paper, taping a deck. Watch me drop shit like babies off sex. See my pockets fat like bags of stress. Tossing in my shit screaming fuck the rest. So don't trip cause you hear me bumping, rolling down hanging with the strap forever.
For the riders, you know.